Welcome to this short video demonstrating the integration between Sine and Torus. Go to Locations and select your site. Once you're in your site, go to the integrations and you'll need to check that the Torus integration is running and active. After this, navigate to the General section and make sure that all the visitor types are correct. Then proceed to the check-in form selection. Here we'll be adding in a multiple selection component to the check-in form with the question of do you require keys? With this section, we will create three options called car keys, server room, and office. We will add this section to be visible by only the contractor and staff visitor types. Proceed to make sure that the check-in form has all other relevant information required by your site. Once confirmed, please press Save to save your check-in form. We will now proceed to do a test check-in. Go to Activity and press on Check-in at the top of the screen. Entering in the required details of name, last name, company, email, and mobile number. Select the site and visitor type as contractor and press Next. You'll then be prompted to answer whether or not you require keys, and you'll need to select the appropriate option. In this case, we will select the server room keys, and the purpose of our visit is contractor works. We will now proceed to press the check-in button, and we have now been successfully checked into Sine. This will trigger an email to be sent to the appropriate admins to approve the request for keys. And once this email has been approved, moving over to the Torus dashboard under the Users section, we can now see our test user, Christian, is present within the Torus system. Opening his profile, we can see under the User Credential section, Christian's ID and PIN, which he would also receive by email and SMS. Under Accessible Items, we can now see that he has been granted access to all the keys within the server room access group, which we would have set up in this case to contain key positions 10 to 15. Once the user checks out of Sine, they'll be prompted to answer if they have returned their keys. Once this is complete, they'll be removed from the Torus system, also removing the ability for them to access keys without checking back into Sine. As you can see here, the user Christian has been removed and can only be seen once we select Show Deleted Records.